So where your horse at, man?
I got it back in the stable. It's getting fed right by now.
Yeah, you got a stang out there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
Yeah, slap that bad boy, make him go fast. Yeah. Okay.
It's a tough job. Someone's got to do it.
All right, Brand.
Right? It's how it is.
That's how it is. I see.
That's how it be like sometimes.
What?
Good morning guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate it. This is my first video on YouTube to give you a little detail of who I am. For those of you who don't know me, my name is TJ Smith. I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. I'm currently a student at UAB. This channel will primarily focus on travel content and any adventurous activities I can get my hands on. Although it's a travel vlog, my content will be very limited as I am currently in classes right now, getting ready to go into my final semester of school and graduate. I recently went to Florida in June to surf, and that's when I plan to start my YouTube channel. But things kind of fell through the cracks and I ran into a little problems there and I wasn't quite ready. After taking a few months off and waiting, I went on another quick trip back to Florida with a few friends to go to Panama City Beach to surf again. But with disappointment in the end due to red tide and minimal waves, that video was more of us hanging out and doing other things. Overall, it was a fun trip and we made the best of what we had and the most of what we had. I can't wait to put out much more exciting content, but for now I just want you guys to enjoy this B-roll that I have, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.